Hello, I am Horton the Elephant, and I'm going to be watching a video of Mr. Noisy and Mr. Bump at a wildlife. It's when Mr. Noisy finds animals using his secret weapons, and something didn't go very good. Here we go. Up in the tree. What? That's his rear end. Why did you tell him to move out of the way? He didn't make so much noise. His panpipe. The birds, they pooped on him. That's funny. A great Cape buffalo. His secret weapon. That's a bagpipe. That buffalo squished him. I was talking to the buffalo. That's funny. They're fronting an alligator. It looks like I have to rely on my secret weapon. They're all a limit and a whistle. Mr. Noisy is still playing his whistle. That's crazy. That alligator just spewed him out. More Mr. Noisy. That video was funny. I meant what I said, and I said what I meant. But oh, am I seasick? 100%.